Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to get Google Forms responses in an email message. Want to receive Google Forms responses directly in your email with your collection surveys, answers, job applications or feedback? Getting instant email alerts can save you a ton of time. Today, I'll show you exactly how to do that in just a few clicks. So let's go. The first step is to open your Google Form, and you can do that by searching on Google Form in your search engine and clicking on the Google Workspace website. Now after the Google Workspace website appears, make sure you log in using your Google account's credentials. Now once you're logged in, you'll be directed, just click on sign in here, and once you're logged in, you'll be directed to your Google Forms dashboard. From here, choose the form you want to get the responses in email for. For example, I'm going to choose this one. Now after the form appears, go to the responses tab. Let's see here. As you can see, there's a question tab, responses tab and a settings tab. Go to responses here and click on the three dots menu in the top right and select get emails for new responses. Now every time someone submits the form, you'll get an email alert. You can also customize the email notification. If you want detailed email alerts, use the form notification add-on by clicking on the puzzle piece at the top of your form and search for form notification and install it. And you can also set up your email recipients and message format. As for the fourth step is to auto forward responses to a team email. Now in Gmail, go to settings, filters and blocked addresses and click create a new filter and enter your Google Form email notification. After that, select forwarded to and enter your team's email. And for the fifth and final step, you can also connect Google Forms with Gmail using Google Sheets. Now if you want a fully automated email system, you can use a Google Sheet script to send customized emails when a new response is received. As you can see here, we can link to Google Sheets and you can click on create a new spreadsheet. And that's it for today's tutorial. Now you know how to get Google Forms responses in your email instantly. If this was helpful, smash that like button, subscribe and comment below if you have any further more questions on this topic. Thanks for watching and see you again in the next tutorial.